And my name is Raymond Coletta, and I taught about 28 years at McGeorge. Taught property and wills and trusts basically, and torts for a few years also. I always loved teaching. I taught in the Peace Corps, both in India and Afghanistan. Came back, went to law school, practiced for 4.5 years, and knew that that was what I wanted to do. I always loved teaching, and so I made the transition to law school. It's family for me. A lot of my best friends were at McGeorge, raised my 2 sons in Sacramento. My oldest son, Sean, went to McGeorge, so McGeorge is a family for me. Well, gosh, I think a lot. Our graduates are throughout the community in various roles, not only as attorneys and judges, but legislators and primary school teachers, a whole host of things. So McGeorge is having a great effect on that community and California as a whole. Yeah, number one, name recognition. Also, he was a great role model for students and for the faculty as a whole. So I think it was great that he was a member of our faculty, contributed mightily to the faculty in a number of areas. And I was fortunate enough to meet him and work with him a little bit, which was a great thing for me. I guess my basic interaction with him, or my most important interaction with him, was in Salzburg when I was teaching in Salzburg and he was there. I think it was the last time he taught in Salzburg. And my younger son, Julian, was with me on that trip. And he and Justice Kennedy got along really well. We had some dinners together and it was just wonderful. Again, the idea was this closeness, this bond, and this friendship that he exuded and showed to us and my son. The students mostly. I love the students. I love teaching them, interacting with them, office hours with them. Again, for me, teaching was a part of my life. I loved it. It enriched me in many ways. I learned so much from the students. So that was the highlight. The second part of it would be my colleagues. McGeorge was very special in a lot of ways, in that the faculty was much closer than I think I've experienced in other faculties. And it was a joy going to work each day, coming to my office, going to other professors' office, changing thoughts about our professional lives and our personal lives. Again, to me, McGeorge was family. We will see. Again, I think it will develop. We have a lot of very brilliant administrators and professors still there, and they will sort of chart course that I think is best for the school and the university as a whole. I hope it will continue to be a first-rate teaching school and professional school and scholarship school, but it's in their hands, not in mine anymore. And I have confidence in good hands. I love McGeorge. I love teaching. I loved our students. The professor, as I said, the interactions were wonderful. I had some of my best friends there. So yeah, there was no reason to move around for me. I visited in Davis a few times and things of that sort, but to me, coming back to McGeorge was always a joy. Again, Sacramento was a special place. It's where we went, where we raised our 2 children, and where I spent most of my professional life, my wife's professional life, and that McGeorge contributed to that 28 years so much in our growth and development. I will always cherish.